400 grams of t-shirt yarn. We're going to use a 6mm hook and a marker. Let's start doing the baseline of the strap on oval shape. Let's make a slip knot. Let's chain. Let's chain 19 chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. We have 19. Then skip the first stitch and make a single crochet in the second stitch. That, and then make a 16 single crochet for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we do have 16 inch. And the last stitch, we're going to make 3 single chain in 1 stitches. 1, let's put marker on the first, 1, 2, and 3. Let's put marker the third stitch, then 2 single chain in every stitches up to the other side. Then we're going to make another 2 single stitch here, since we do have 1 already. We'll make another 2 to make it 3. And that's it. This is our base. Then after this, we make slip stitch. This is the first stitch that we're gonna make to avoid the mark of continuous. We're not gonna make a single crochet here. We're gonna make single crochet on the second chain. This will be the continuous pattern. It will not leave any mark. Let's put mark on the first chain. This will be served as the first chain for the second row. That's it. 2. That's it. And then the first Then we're gonna do increase. When I say increase, we're gonna put marker back again. We're gonna put 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and repeat it 3 times. See, 1, 2. Let's put another 2 single crochet. Second stitch. We're gonna have 4, and the third stitch we're also put another 2 single crochet. So we're gonna have a total of 2, 4, 6. Put back there, and let's put another single crochet in every stitches around the corner. 16 and 2, 3, and to make it stiff one, and 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. See, forming an oval shape. 14, 15, 16. And on the other side, we reach the other side corner. Let's make increase 2 single crochet in every stitches. 2 single crochet in 1 stitches. Repeat it 3 times. 2, 3. So same as the other side, we do have 6, 4, 6, and then make. We're not gonna make any slip stitches. We're gonna make single crochet. Don't forget to single crochet. Don't forget to put back the marker. This will serve that the row starts here in this marker. So we do have 2 rows. We're gonna make another 2 to 3 rows. This will be the 3rd rows. Single crochet, 16 single crochet. We're gonna make increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're gonna have 9 stitches in this total of 6 chain. And repeat it on the other side until you reach at the end of the other side. So that's it. See you on the 4th rows. So here we finished the singles. It's a 16 single stitch of 3rd row. We're gonna do the increase. Put 2 single crochet in 1 stitch. It's 2. Don't forget to put back the marker. In the 2nd chain, we're gonna make 1 single crochet, another increase. That will be 2 single crochet, and let's make 1 single crochet and another increase, 2 single crochet. And the last one, we're gonna make 1 single crochet. That's it. Put back the marker. That's a circle, and we're gonna repeat it on the other side until we reach the other corner side. See you after I make the 3rd rows. We're starting on the other side of the 2 rows. Increase, crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, and single crochet. A total of 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and that's here. 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. So this will be the 3rd rows. And then let's make another row for the 4th rows. Single crochet again, and start the rows here. Put back fourth row, 16 single crochet, and then we're gonna have single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase, single crochet, increase. This will have a total of 12 at our corner. So see you after I make the 16. So we reach our side corner. We're gonna make, this is the fourth row, so we're gonna make one single crochet. This will be the increase part. One single crochet in one stitch, another one single crochet in the next stitch. We're gonna do increase, make two single crochet in one stitches. 1 2 3, it's a total of 4 in one in 3 stitches, and repeat it 2 times. 1 2, then increase, another 1 2, and increase. We're gonna end on the last stitch with increase. Done. Let's put up this marker. There will be total of 2 4 6 8 10 12, total of 12 chain. So we're gonna repeat it on the other side. Let's make 16 single crochet and repeat the increase pattern. Single crochet, 2 single crochet, increase, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet. That will be the end of our part 4. See you at the end of part 4. And the end, the row 4, that will be 12 2 4 6 8 10 12. It's the end of our row 4. And this will be our oval shape base. This will be the base of our bag. See, that will be the base of our bag. That's how easy making our oval base part of bags. You can create any designs of bags with this base. Now we're gonna make a clutch bag. This. So that's it. We're gonna make a clutch bag like this. But this is bigger. This has a 20 cm of clutch, but we're gonna make a 16-inch clump only. This will be the outcome, a clutch bag, and like that. And now, to begin with the body part, we're gonna make, always remember that this will be the start of every row. Make a single crochet and put the marker back. This will be the first row of our body for this bag. Single crochet, we're going to make single crochet in every stitches, and it will have a total of 56 stitches. So see you at the end of this row. Reach the last chain for the row, and we'll have a total of 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 16 18 20 22 24 28 30 32 34 36 8 40 42 44 46 44 56. So we'll have 56 chain. We have 56 chain, and we're gonna make, to form the body bag, we're gonna make another 10 rows. Just put a single crochet in every row, in each stitches, single crochet in each stitches until you reach the 10th row. So that will be a total of 15 rows, including this base. Okay, I'll see you at the end of 10th row. And that's it. What that looks like. And we're gonna do the last row, single stitches in every chain. And that's it. That's the end of our video. Comment down below for part 2. Part 2 will be we're going to attach the clutch here. See the final result. Thank you. Bye.